There was a time in which we were much more connected to our breath and the movement of our body, when we needed to fight for survival, when we were much more in contact with nature. Nowadays in these city lives we are completely disconnected with our breath, with our movement, with our spine, with our sources of energy, because we don't need it, we think.
How do you feel inside yourself?
And it goes beyond just vocal gestures, but like physical gestures as well. Like saying like on TikTok, some sort of relatively easy to learn dance, which could be an expression of popular feeling, gets passed around and circulated. Whoever participates gets their body indoctrinated into a particular physical behavior or routine. When you have to say the Pledge of Allegiance in America, every day, our bodies get drawn into these repetitive routines, which for the most part come with the message that we have to continue things as they are, whether it's nationalism, capitalism, heteronormativity. And so our bodies get written on over and over and over again. And there are channels of physical expression that are encouraged for everyone to participate in. Going back to folk traditions and trying to find places before mainstream culture came in and imposed a kind of uniformity to expression is a really radical act.